how to slice a photo in Canva. To show you this, I will pick a photo from the Elements tab on the left, but you can also choose one of your own by clicking on Uploads. In this case, I've prepared a photo of an apple. You want to make sure your image is selected. You go to the top left corner where it says Edit Image, and now you need to scroll all the way down until you see Slice. You want to go to See All. And here you can see all the different slice options like chipped, sliced, minced, and torn. If you want to adjust one of these effects, you click on the effect again, and now you can see the different adjustments. In this case, it's the amount of slices, the offset between the slices, and the position of the slices. And that's how you slice a photo in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.